Good day, good morning, guys. Again, we are in our daily trading market commentary. As you probably noticed, the volatility in recent days or in recent week, month is crazy. I mean, looking at the market capitalization, more than $20 billion of inflows came into the markets, which caused the general bullish trend. Now that doesn't really mean that 20 actual billion in dollars came into the market because the liquidity of some altcoins is relatively small, so already a smaller amount of money inflows causes the market cap to increase disproportionately, right? Much more than the actual money inflow. Um, but anyways, we've seen a huge growth on all major altcoins and Bitcoins, of course. So we are entering like this last phase of the bull cycle where you can see already today and yesterday that a lot of profit orders have been coming in, profit taking. We've seen corrections of around 10 and more percent on major all altcoins. And for example, I have Ripple in US dollars here, right? We've been following last week this trading box trade out, and then we had a great run here. Let's see. Yeah, this has been 100% increase in price. We've hit the resistance level here. At around 23, and here we start the descending. This is the profit taking I'm talking about. It can be seen that much more institutional funds came into play in the last several months. So we are also going to, there are not the players that would be really buy and hold type of funds, right, to profit from several years. So they're going to be taking profits as the opportunity shows up. And yeah, this is what we can see on the Ripple, for example, which had a great run. And now is somehow showing interesting support at around 14.5 or 15 if you want. This is of course a previous breakout, and 1, 2, we are going to test this support for the third time. Now if this support sustains, there might be a good another bull long position opportunity here, and we can see this is still a lot. This is 30% upside potential if we are going to form a support here and trade in the box. So yeah, maybe keep an eye on that. Of course, again, if we break below, you don't want to be on the buy position here. Just wait for a new support to establish. Don't be too early and enter a trade then later. Dash US dollar has a very interesting chart, a very clear one, and I'm just gonna look from a broader perspective. Yes, you can see a very clear resistance level at 115, 114, double top basically forming. What happened here is we broke the trend line on the downside, which is not good for the bull trend to continue, right? This move is off the table, so we are now testing this support at $90 that we were discussing already yesterday. This is the new line to keep an eye on. If we are going to have a support here, right, as I've been telling you, the whole market is a bit is taking a step backwards. So it is going to be important for you to locate the next support lines, the next foundations for the movements in the future week. So the support line that we have on Dash is here at $90, so I would keep an eye on that. If we form a bullish pattern here, it's going to provide some good opportunities, some good risk-reward profile trades. However, maybe I would still enter on the breakdown. If we see the breakdown here, I would put the automatic trade order that executes itself and enter into a short position here. Anyways, the Dash took a step back, and it doesn't look like we're going to make a breakout on the previous resistance level, maybe somewhere down the line, but this is now a definite a bearish pattern here. So yeah, be careful what's going to happen. The same with Litecoin US dollar, the same. We've seen a huge run. Again, 100%, just like on Ripple, 100% gain, and you have to be sure there is going to be some profit taking. These are huge gains for the institutional funds, and they're going to collect it. So we see a descending pattern, and basically no real support here until 25. This I would more say 24. Here is a future breakout and then double support. This is a stronger line than at 26. So I wouldn't really enter here into any bullish positions. I would wait until, as I said, spot a support line and try to find an accumulation and foundation for the future bullish patterns. It's now wait and see game, and we just need to wait for this sideways movement, for this retracement and accumulation period to play out, and then spot some good opportunities for the trades in the, maybe not even this week, but in the following week. Bitcoin is the one that doesn't have any retracement, right? We had it here, we've seen selling pressure, the support 1, 2, 3 support has been formed, and we've seen another play on the upside, right? We were discussing this, exactly this position on Sunday, and here we had a great buy-in opportunity. I said you should trade this box, make a stop loss order here, and just trade it on the upside. And luckily that's what happened. And we are going on, we are attacking. As I told you, we broke. If we look at the bigger chart, we had the breakout, the support, and we are going in exponential. Now it's hard to say until when this move is going to play out, but if you entered on this position, right, I would use the Fibonacci extension to spot a good exit price, and yeah, maybe not be too greedy, because also on the Bitcoin this move is quite extended, and although I expect on the, let's say, a monthly term to see a run up until 1900 or even 2000. On the semi-long period, I'm pretty sure we're going to test this new psychological level of $2,000. How fast this is going to happen, I don't know. So, but if you have this trade that we were discussing on Sunday and you want to hold it, maybe just put some stop orders, moving stop orders. You move them as the price continues, and then you basically maximize your profit when the trend starts to turn, and this would be a good play here. Okay, guys, have a good day. Pay close attention to the support lines, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.